Hello friends, good morning. This is SD Shanand multi-asset trading and investment specialist. In this video, basically, I'm going to inform you about the ongoing workshops that you can attend to improve your knowledge, enhance your skills. So, iske baare mein I'm going to show you what I'm holding right now or will be holding is about two different investment workshops that is currently going on. What is this? This is my website. This is my website. First of all, you can check out my different social market footprints. That is my YouTube channel, X, and WhatsApp channel. YouTube channel is you can check out playlist, different playlist available to enhance your knowledge. Then we have X profile where I try to regularly post my ideas, what I'm thinking about different market. And this is my WhatsApp channel, multi-asset trading with SD. So I would like to highlight you, take you not in the social footprint, but offering section. In the offering section, you will see bond investment workshop and option master workshop. Option Master workshop started on 15th of April and it's a 20-day workshop which will close on 5th of May. In this period, we are going to hold four different classes, of which yesterday we held almost 3 hour ka ek class explaining the basics of option, the calculations of options, and income strategies, vertical spread that we have discussed, and the video has been uploaded. It is not available for general public. It is available only for those who joined the workshop. Normal लोग इस वीडियो को व्यू नहीं कर पाएंगे. Those who have joined the workshop which is free, उनके लिए ये वीडियो देख सकते हैं. The link has been shared in the group. In the workshop, it is divided by two parts. One part is strategy discussion, where we had one class yesterday, 20th April, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m., 3 hour session. The next one is coming on Option Master tool. That will be on Thursday, 8 p.m. And once again, this strategy session we will continue as part 2 on 1st of May evening time. And another Option Master tool class will be held, but that is after 1st May and before our closing day on 5th. Last day to join this workshop is 30th April is the last day to join this workshop, because first is our strategy session, that is part 2, and after that we will have our option market tool part 2. So joining after 30th April does not make sense. Those who join early, they benefit the most. In yesterday's class, unfortunately, I did not understand that there is so high demand. So initial seat capacity was around 100. So बहुत लोग directly join नहीं कर पाए. So it is not necessarily if you register early, you will be allowed. First 100 people will be allowed initially. Next class I will try to keep it bigger, बड़ा रखने की कोशिश करेंगे. Bigger capacity करने के लिए, because there was very high demand. So 24th April is our next session coming, Option Master tool. जहाँ पे मेरा Option Master tool which is available here. Let's go to Nifty. And this is the Option Master tool, credit spread. This is what is going on कि credit spread चलते जा रहा है. So this Option Master tool, you can use it for free for 15 days, which can act as a guidance. एक गाइडेंस की तरह आपके लिए हो सकता है। ये मार्केट खुलते ही काफी सारे अलर्ट आ रहे हैं, तो आई विल हैव अ लुक एट दिस स्टॉक्स, लेट देम कम। ये 9:07 में आता है और उसके बाद, बट दिस इज नॉट अ टाइम हम लोग ट्रेड करते हैं, दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट कि सिग्नल आए। दिस इज ऑप्शन मास्टर वर्कशॉप। इसमें रजिस्टर करने के लिए यहाँ पे देखिए लिंक दिया गया है, लिंक इज गिवन हियर एज वेल एज लिंक इज गिवन हियर, द होल लिंक। यू हैव टू जस्ट क्लिक हियर, यहाँ पे क्लिक कीजिए, क्लिक हियर टू फिल द फॉर्म। आप क्लिक करेंगे तो ये आपको एक गूगल फॉर्म में इट विल टेक यू। सो हियर यू विल हैव टू फिल अप योर डिटेल्स, email address. This is just a sample I'm showing you. You give your name, contact number, email address, trading view ID. Correct trading view ID दीजिएगा. If you don't know how to find your trading view ID, this is your trading, this is my ID, but यहीं पे दिखेगा आपको. If you have to go here, click and you will be able to see your trading view ID. So once you submit it, you will get a WhatsApp link. Join this WhatsApp link, send a request for joining. I will approve it soon and you will be able to come and join the workshop, the WhatsApp channel via which we are communicating, via which we are sharing the recording, via which we are sharing the class details. So if you are interested in the Option Master workshop, this is the way to approach it. Another workshop is scheduled, that is on 27th of April, that is the Bond Investment Strategy Workshop. It aims to increase the awareness of general public about bond investment, how to do it. There is no WhatsApp group. It is a one-day program, not like Option Master, which is 20 day. It's a single one-day program on 27th of April, for which the Zoom meeting link will be shared here soon. यहीं पे जल्दी शेयर कर दिए जाएंगे Zoom मीटिंग का लिंक। 27th अप्रैल को जो लोग ज्वाइन करेंगे, मैक्सिमम कैपेसिटी इज 90 to 100. It is a free session. But later दो लोग रिकॉर्डिंग ज्वाइन करेंगे, it may turn out as some payment you might have to do. But on 27th of April 2025, it is completely free for all those who will be joining. So 2 workshops are currently going on. Bond investment workshop coming up on 27th of April. An Option Master workshop, which is a 20-day workshop aiming at improving the public knowledge, helping the struggling trader, as well as showcase our Option Master tool, how it can be used for trading. So that's all, friends. I hope you will join me. अगर आप लोगों को अच्छा लग रहा है, you will join me for this workshop. And all the best from my side to your trading, like always. And as always, happy trading.